Through our strategic relation between Egypt and China, we managed to secure a very significant component.
في بعض الأمور كده مهما حاولنا إن احنا نوصفها بيعجز اللسان عن توصيفها.
December 4, 2023. This is the Chinese Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center. It may be a regular day for Chinese experts here, as more objects get to be launched from China to space. For Egypt, though, it's a historic moment. On board that March 2C carrier rocket is the first remote sensing satellite to be assembled and fully tested in the North African country. It is here in the Egyptian space city where that landmark technological breakthrough took place, thanks to the comprehensive strategic partnership with China. I went to meet the CEO of the Egyptian Space Agency, Dr. Sherif Sidqi, to understand more about the added value to Egypt for building MisrSat 2.
This satellite have two payloads, and the combination of the two brings very strong images that serve very broad sectors of the sustainable development goals like agriculture, urban development, water resources, natural resources.
How much vegetation can be produced from the Egyptian lands, and what kind of stresses can be showing up for different crops. The second issue is how to monitor your environment. And you can see here how the pollution can affect the Mediterranean Sea, and consequently it will affect the fish resources.
With a footprint that covers the Middle East, many parts of Africa and Asia, MisrSat 2 can provide these imaging services to dozens of countries, which bolsters South-to-South cooperation. Dr. Sidqi gave CGTN rare access to the Satellite Assembly, Integration and Testing Center, which, like MisrSat 2, was a grant from China. The colossal complex is a clean, controlled environment space, so I had to put a lab coat and go through a pressure room. Accompanying me is engineer Tamer Dabash, the director of this center.
السنتر بتاعنا هنا طبعا احنا ابتدينا من المشروع بتاعنا مع الجانب الصيني، تمام؟ كان في صورة منحة صينية في الأجهزة والمعدات المطلوبة لتأهيل القمر إنه يكون موجود في الفضاء. الجانب المصري كان متحمل الانفراستراكشر أو البنية التحتية بتاعة المركز، والجانب الصيني تحمل أعمال المعدات وتركيبها وتدريب الفريق المصري.
To clear a satellite ready for space operation, the multi-million-dollar device must go through all simulations that mimic the environment in space. From the thermal vacuum chamber, which simulates the extreme high and low temperatures that a satellite would be exposed to the vibration test system, which puts the satellite into the exact vibrations that it will face on the rocket during its launch. This center is equipped with all the aspects a satellite testing needs to go through before it is deployed into space. China empowered Egypt to have the ability to design, program, assemble and control satellites, which make up 60% of the satellite manufacturing process. It's a technological capability no Egyptian engineer thought would be available in Egypt during their lifetime.
النواة بتاعت المجموعة بتاعت التجميع والاختبار كانت 20 مهندس. الكلام ده كان ابتدينا في 2017. حاليا احنا المهندسين بتوعنا شاركوا التجميع بتاعت المعدات، حضرت اسلوب التجميع بتاعه والتشغيل بتاعه. لا يزال لغاية دلوقتي الجانب الصيني الحقيقة بيتعاون معانا في بعض الامور كده مهما حاولنا ان احنا نوصفها بيعجز اللسان عن توصيفها. عشان الحقيقة ان احنا يكون الفريق دوت اول فريق مصري يقدر ان هو يطلع قمر صناعي من الارض المصرية متجمع ويسافر من هنا.
Scientists here at the Egyptian Space Agency told me that the operation and quality of the assembled satellites at AIT exceeded their expectations.
We have a mission that was launched in February 2024 for NextSat 1. And this, we are very proud of this mission because it has 40% localization of technology. So it has the onboard computer fully programmed by Egypt, and now this mission is running for almost 13 months. So the initial plan was only 6 months. Now we more than doubled the lifetime of this mission. Through our strategic relation between Egypt and China, we managed to secure a very significant component.
At the Satellite Control Center, the head of the Earth Observation Data Department Dr. Bilal Al-Laythi showed me some pictures taken from space. You can tell the model of an airplane in Cairo's airport and see the construction development in many urban projects across the country. And with modern image analytics technology, the satellites Egypt is building in this Chinese-funded facility can boost the economic growth of many countries. In the Egyptian space city, the headquarters of the African Space Agency stands proud. Soon, scientists from across the continent will come here to enrich this advanced scientific hub. The future of space cooperation with China is rich.